It's a cold Manitoba long weekend. The sun is shining and I'm thinking about the number 2013. Why? Well, my students will be writing some math contests shortly. Next up is the CEMC, and I want to help them flex their math muscles, get their creative juices going, hence the number 2013. Watching Vi Hart this weekend, how could one not be so inspired as to create a video, especially with her love of doodles, math, and of course, snakes. 2013 is the year of the snake, but that's not the purpose of this video. If you haven't watched any of Vi's videos, you have to check out her YouTube channel and her blog. Spend hours there. But I digress. I'm interested in exploring 2013. Should have started the math year forum year game earlier, but the challenge is still out there. 83 and 88 have yet to be uncovered. But back to the number 2013. In preparing for this video, I headed to the web and to Twitter. In Twitter, I found tons of great resources from helpful people. Thank you especially to the kind tweeters at the Math Forum. Next up is the National Post, January 1st, 2013. How is 2013 interesting? Let Us Count the Ways by John Chu and Jonathan Kay. But before we begin, let us recall that prime numbers are numbers that are divisible only by 1 in themselves. 3 is a prime number because it is divisible only by 3 and by 1. But 4 is not a prime number because it is divisible not only by 4 and by 1, but also by 2. Euclid proved that there are infinitely many prime numbers. Within this past month, one of the largest prime numbers found so far, Mersenne prime, made the news. This number, 2 to the power of 57,885,161 minus 1, contains over 17 million digits. If this sort of thing interests you, be sure to check out the recent Numberphile videos for interesting bits on this prime. We love Numberphile videos. Now I want to get back to the number 2013, which we can tell by simply looking at it, it is not prime. Look at the digits, the sum of the digits. It's a multiple of 3, and we know that that number is divisible by 3. The last prime numbered years were 2003, 2011. Next one up after that is not until 2017. So let's go back and look at 2013 and prime factorize it. We'll find that 2013 is equal to 3 times 11 times 61. Oh, an application can be found here. Look at us fill up a solid box. 2013 can have dimensions of 3 by 11 by 61. But 2013 has other interesting properties. It's a product of 3 prime factors. So is 2014. It's a year with 3 prime factors. 2 times 19 times 53. And get this, same is true about 2015, which is 5 times 13 times 31. There won't be another 3 consecutive years that are a product of 3 prime numbers until the year 2665, more than half a millennium from now. There's also a cool prime numbers game you can play here. Imagine a game whereby you make numbers by adding and subtracting squares of prime numbers. For example, 30 is equal to 5 times 5 plus 3 times 3 minus 2 times 2. 2013 is the smallest number that needs at least 6 squares to make. Can you figure them out? Okay, I'm going to move on to another posting found on the web. This one from Wired by Matt Blum, posted on New Year's Eve. 5 geeky fun facts about 2013 to dazzle your friends with tonight. Geeks love to analyze things, he says, often to the point where non-geeks would call it excessive. Those of us with a mathematical bent like to find interesting facts about each year as it arrives, since virtually every number has something interesting to note about it. Well, the year has arrived, and we're well into it, but we can still find joy in determining 2013 fun facts. Matt points out the same thing about 2013, 2014, and 2015 as consecutive years with 3 distinct primes. It goes all the way back to 1885 through to 1887, and he points out the next time isn't until 2665. I'm curious, when is the next time that'll happen? Another fun fact is 2013 is composed of 4 different digits, and it's the first such year since 1987. When is the next time when digits repeat? That's another interesting question. We can move on to more fun facts from there. 2013 is composed of 4 sequential digits, although obviously not in order. The last such year was nearly 600 years ago, back in 1432. But the next such year is only 18 years away, 2031. What other fun facts can you come up with for the year 2013? I put the challenge out to you. There's got to be more fun facts for the year 2013. And if you're looking for another great 2013 challenge, why don't you Google the Math Forum Year Game and get started? Thank you so much for watching.